Good morning, students. Our next topic is header and footer. Header and footer are the top and bottom area of the document. The area of the top margin of each page are called header, and the area of the bottom margin of the page is called footer. And we can insert any text or graphics in the header and footer. And whatever information we are going to add in the header and footer, that will be printed in each page of document. For example, you can insert page number, date, a company's logo, document's title or file name in the header and footer areas. The following steps are followed in order to insert header. Click the Insert tab. Click Header option from the header and footer group. A gallery appears. Choose the style of your choice and now type the text you want at the top of each page. Now click Close Header and Footer from Close Group in the Design tab. Next, the following steps are taken to insert footer in the document. Click the Insert tab. Click Footer option from the header and footer group. A gallery appears. Choose the style of your choice. Now write the text for the footer and click Close Header and Footer from the Close group in the Design tab. Next, the following steps are taken in order to insert page number in each page of the document. Click Insert tab. Click Page Number from the header and footer group. A drop-down list appears. Choose the location for the page number. Choose the style you want and click Close Header and Footer from the Close group in the Design tab. So you can see page number inserted on each page of the document. Next, how to change case. A change case option is used when you have typed entire page in small letters and later on you want to convert the letters into capital ones. So this option will allow you to change the case in any form, like from lower to uppercase and upper to lowercase. You don't have to retype the entire page again. You will just have to use the change keys option. Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letters. And there are 5 case options in MS Word 2007 which are as follows. Let's see the case. The first case is sentence case. This case option capitalize the first character in the sentence. The next, lowercase option. This option converts all the selected characters to lowercase, means in small case. Uppercase. This converts the text to uppercase, means in capital letter. Capitalize each word. This option capitalize the first character of every word in your document. Toggle case. This reverses the existing case, means whatever in the small will be capital and whatever are in the capital will be in small case. The following steps are followed in case you want to change the case of any text. First of all, select the text. Click Home tab, the Change Case option from the font group and select the required case from the list. So the case will be changed.